Cheers to the great landscapes, the wildlife, the adventures, and most importantly, the people. There's hardly ever a time where I enter the day feeling bored, lonely, or let down to a big extent. Yes, not every day would be exactly how I planned it to be, but no matter what, a positive usually pulled through from a negative. Without giving too much away, I'm gonna rewind it back for you, right to the start. Trust me, you'll definitely be needing the map of the world close by and a notepad. I hope you view this as something that will inspire you to travel, take on challenges, and appreciate your journey. Coming back, well, it was just my cousin and I, Coletta and I, and we made our way from Kwekwe all the way to Harare, just us two. So that, like I said, it's adulted me because, you know, I've done a long distance of traveling almost by myself, but like I said, with my cousin. So that was quite good, you know, going on the bus, paying for it. It's definitely a good experience because not a lot of people want to do that because they're probably afraid that, okay, this might happen. I'm with people in a bus in a country that I don't know. It's something that I think some people would definitely put a blind eye to. Aside from that, I made sure that coming back, I was not going to be staring at the walls. No. That was not in my initial plan. So from then on, it really set the pace for me to go out, do things, explore things. So for example, yes, I've actually been out in Arcadia as well. That was very interesting.
Right, let's get started. The first game, I need 6 women. 6 women. We're gonna play some musical chairs. Let's go, DJ.
Most of you, if you're from that area or kind of close, you would know that Arcadia, yes, Arcadia, can get a bit, let's say, juicy. I dipped my toes into that just for a day, but it was ladies' night and it was all good. A fun experience.
Are they legal? Okay, right. This is what we do here. When I say go, you down that beer. You run. You down that shot. You run. You down that cider. To the end. Don't worry what it is. Do I come to your house and ask you what is that? I don't ask you. So don't ask me at my house. The first one to down the beer, down the shot, down the cider must come and touch my man Fishy over here. The first one to press the hands right here is the winner. Do we understand? Are we ready?
I would have killed it. Oh my God.
We participated though.
Exactly. Straight away, we were on the road after a night out. Imagine, this is later on in the afternoon and a Sunday. What I like though about Zimbabwe is that a weekend can really feel like a weekend away, providing we have the resources and plan. We might not have the longest hours of daylight in the world, but making use of every hour is what counts. And of course, getting the time to just take it in and rest, no matter how crazy the night was before, like yesterday. Now here we have to pay again.
Yeah.
It's crazy how I've made a connection with this place.
Don't worry,
as my mom reckons, visiting when I was younger, and now here I am again. Same steps, different
We do
ages.
like a bird show where they tell you about the birds, let the eagle fly.
Shiri. Yes.
Yeah.
Today we are at Kuimba, Shiri, which is bird park, and there's different species such as the eagle.
See the speed that it reaches? 160 kilometers. That speed. It's outrageous.
There's what is it? Camera operator? What is it? I forgot my script.
Eagles, vultures, owls, ducks.
Ducks, yes.
Parrots.
Parrots, exactly.
Yeah.
The whole shebang. Guys, I just have bird poo on me. It's good luck though. Eagle. Okay. Yes.
That'll be.
And the broom.
Stacy.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right. Now I'll
you
bring
very
the drinks.
All right, thank you.
What's that nice sauce that you have?
I almost felt like a teenager again. Most days are like these during week 2. From lunching at Sam Levy's village to just taking it easy like a Sunday morning. yes, I am at Chapman Golf Course and I'm gonna watch Mr. Tiger play. Don't know if it's behind me, but you know, it's a nice place, I guess. It's got Impala. Why is someone? It's got
We're going to usually just go with one, so go to 10. There's less people coming this way.
The Zimbabwean tiger wins. And the PA, aka personal assistant. Right in the heart of Chapman Golf Club, we have 2 players today on the golf course. Lighting it up, we're starting with the first timer, Zimzygirl. Yes, she's never hit a golf ball in her life, can you believe it? But she's here and ready to change things around. Question is, can she hit it in one go? But let's find out.
That is so good. That is so good.
Not bad, not bad. And moving on. We have Shiri, quite a number of achievements he has. A passion for golf, he's got this one on lock. Need I say more?
Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Can you finish?
There we go. What's my photo shoot? Fun at the sea. Don't worry guys, I'm a tourist today. On the next episode.